today's video, I'm going to share with you all a very simple Chalta Amchar recipe. So you want to begin by cutting open the Chalta. It can be quite tough, so you'll need to put a lot of elbow grease when cutting it open. Once cut open, you'll need to clean out the inside and take that part out and discard it. You don't need the middle of the Chalta. You just need the part that looks like the petals that close to form the Chalta. Then you'll slice up or chop it up into smaller or thinner strips. After you sliced it up, you then want to wash it properly and then place it in a pot of water so that you can boil it to tenderize it. To the Chalta, you're going to add salt and sugar to boil it, and you're going to boil it on a medium heat until it's tender. After the Chalta finished boiled, you want to empty it into a strainer, and using something that you can press like a potato masher, press down so you can squeeze out all of that bitter juice out of the Chalta. To make the Chalta, you're going to start by adding some oil to a pot on medium heat. When the oil is hot, you're going to go in with some chopped garlic, pepper, and bandania or green seasoning. Saute until the garlic is light brown. You do not want to burn the garlic. Next, add in the Chalta. To the Chalta, you're going to add in some brown sugar to sweeten the Chalta and some salt to taste, some geera powder, which is roasted cumin powder, and some Amchar masala powder. Toss to coat. You're going to go in with some mustard oil, and this is going to help preserve the Chalta. Mix well, and then this is ready to be served. You want to store the Chalta in a bottle. You can leave it out in the sun for a few days and then refrigerate afterwards. If you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to share and like the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!